let's say e-commerce yung industry na gusto mong i-reach out. Now, punta ako dito sa Instagram, maghanap ako. So, nakakita ko 238 followers. Pero I would suggest na at least 1,000 siguro para kahit papano, medyo kilala na yung brand. Kahit papano, di ba? Now, let's say, assuming na 1,000 followers na yan, check ko kung yung website niya is okay naman. So, actually, yan, nabuksan ko na. And then, check mo if it's okay naman sa taste mo. Then, I will check her contacts. Check natin. Ayan, I discovered your amazing products for business on Instagram and wanted to reach out. So, yan. Let me know if you'd like a free consultation or example of my work. So, syempre, dapat ready ka na meron kang portfolio or just a sample or pwedeng free work just for her or just for this owner. Kung ayaw mo namang dumiretso dito sa email, you can try and copy this script and punta ka sa Instagram, i-message mo siya. But I suggest then na before messaging them, kailangan mag-engage ka muna dun sa kanyang mga pinopost para at least kahit papano mag-up ka sa notification niya and siguradong makikita niya. Then you can notify her na, oh, love this collection. By the way, I message you. Maybe it's natabunan na sa message request. Ikaw nang bahala mag-English nun. Ayun, hopefully nakatulong.